Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS14B1. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your screen is cracked, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can arise from dropping the device or applying too much pressure on the screen. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further damage, affecting the display quality and potentially causing internal issues. Now, let's get started with the repair. For this job, you will need a precision screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, replacement LCD cover, and some adhesive. First, ensure that the device is powered off and unplugged. To open the MSI MS14B1 safely, begin by removing the screws located at the back of the laptop. Be careful to note the size and type of screws as they may differ. Once the screws are out, use your plastic opening tool to gently pry the back cover off. Work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Once the cover is off, locate the cracked screen. It's usually secured with additional screws along the edges. Remove these screws carefully, keeping them in a safe place for reassembly. As you do this, be mindful of the cables connected to the screen. If you pull too hard, you may damage them. Once the screws are removed, gently disconnect the screen cable by pulling the connector straight out. Then, carefully lift the cracked screen away from the laptop chassis. Now, take your replacement LCD cover and align it with the hinges. Connect the new screen cable, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. After that, replace the screws to secure the screen in position. Remember to apply even pressure when tightening the screws to avoid stripping them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the new screen is secured, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clip snap into place. Then, reinsert all screws to finish up the assembly. Power on your device to ensure that the new screen is functioning properly. If all is well, you've successfully replaced the screen. To prevent this issue in the future, consider using a protective case or screen protector. Avoid placing heavy items on top of your laptop when not in use, and always handle it with care. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.